Hi, good morning. This is Big's channel. Come back to my channel. So, our topic is today is regarding it is 60,000 kilometers. So, 60-40. Actually, this is a 40, 40 plus 60. So, before the 40, he will not come to the workshop. So, he come now 60. So, the preventive is a 40 to 60. What is the SOP of 60? 40 change oil on a filter. Etep oil. This one, I show you this one. So this is so change the radiator coolant. Okay. So top up all levels. This is the engine of Lancer. This is Lancer AX. So this one. Okay. This one is a Lancer X. This one. Okay. So what is the preparation this one? I show you to the parts this one. Set out this is for the automatic. This one. ETF SP3. You see the AX, they have I show you and also this one. Coolant change. This is the coolant. Okay. This is the oil filter. This is the part number. This is part number of oil filter. This is a drain plug and washer. Okay. Also, this is the AC filter, the air filter. Okay, this is part number. Also, the fuel filter. This one. This is the part number of fuel filter. This is made in Japan. This one. Okay. Fuel filter. Oil filter. This one. You see. Drain plug and washer. Okay. This is the part number. This one. Why I show you this one? Because sometimes the specification number of it, it's not need to exactly. Okay. So I show you where is the number. This is a technical info of Big's channel. If you see this one, so you see, model CY1A, this one, okay. You see this is engine. I cannot read this one now. You see, this one you see. Okay. What is this? The transmission axle is F for E for B. Set out the F for E for B. So what is the specification F for E for B? They have in the manual this one. Because sometimes some people are not put the exactly specification oil of ETF or CVT. What is that? But this one, the F4A 4B in the manual is Diaquin or ETF SP3. Okay, this one. Shout out all this one owner of the car. If you want to see perfect, you check the manual and the specification of what is the oil use. Okay, because they have a different model. You see the manual. This is A for A for B. So what is this A for A for B? This is the ETF SP3 or Diaquin in the manual. So now proceed to the inside technical info, another technical info. So this one, wait a minute. This is a brake drum type, okay? The front is, this is a brake drum type, okay? So the front is rotor disc brake. This one, this one. This one, you see? So now I want to pull out this one, but the problem is I cannot pull out very because not out. So I will check here inside because I cannot pull out. So I make it adjust because before this one I make it servicing this one now. But this is additional technical info. So this is the handbrake. So now too much this one. Too much tight. You cannot pull out the brake drum. Okay. So if you want to pull out this one, pull out this one. You see here. This one you see. They have a thin. This is for adjustment. You make it adjust to not up. You make it down. Okay. Well, not down. Make it loose. You understand? This one make it loose. So now I make it loose. This one. So here, okay. So make it this one. You see before. So they have a thin. So make it loose, not tight. You loose this one, so that easy to pull out the brake drum. So no, very loose now. So make it loose again. This one I show you perfect. This one you see. This one. So now very loose. So I will check there. This is technical info, additional technical info of all viewers and owners association. This one you see. Wait a minute. So I make it stand this one for that easy to see the problem. So now I make it up so that easy to pull out the brake drum. now this one, make it slowly this one. So you see, only the adjustment before very tight, so you cannot pull out because the adjustment is very tight. So I lost the handbrake. I lost the handbrake. So now very easy to pull out. So this is technical info of this channel. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel. This is Lancer X. This is a step by step. I show you to the job so that very easy to learn one of you. Thank you very much. This is this channel. Shout out Mr. Ulysses Meliton. Hi bro. Shout out all the friends, all member of this channel. Oh, thank you for they have one also Jeep Thai. Now because it's already now in Saudi Arabia, it's set of already 3 o'clock. Thank you for the sponsor. We hope you sponsor with me. This is this channel. Thank you all mga friends, all member of this channel. Thank you very much for of all your support. This is Dix. To salute, to approve. This is Dix. Please subscribe my channel.